Sibongele sikwamukele indaba enzohora lokuqala emini izindaba nizithulelwe unkosazana wakwaDambuza Magupa nazo ezinohlonze emini nje.
The papers have arrived on time. In fact, as we were leaving the hall, the invigilators were about to hand out the papers. Security is something that is fine.
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisekelo uSifiwe Gwahube uhambele isikole sasesoshanguve enyakatho yePitoli namhlanje njengoba ziqale ngokusemthethweni ivivinyo zokuphela konyaka zikamatikuletsheni uzwelonke.
Ngenye imini omama nabo baphathe apha embuthweni anikhaphanga thina apha nize nizophatha nani.
Unobhala jikelele we-ANC ufikile mbalulu uholo umcimbi wokubekwa kweimbali ethuneni lenqalabutho yomzabalazo umama uAlbertina Sisulu njengoba kungusuku lwakhe lokuzalwa. Sichithiwe isicelo se-DA esimayelana nenkulumo kaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ayethulela isizwe ngaphambi kokhetho lukazwelonke ngoNhlaba. I-DA ibisolo uMengameli ngokusebenzisa lenkulumo ukuze akhankasele ukhetho. Kepha inkantolo ithe abukho ubufakazi bokuthi lenkulumo yaba nomthelela otheni okhethweni yabe isisichitha lesicelo. Njengoba kuqala ngokusemthethweni namhlanje ivivinyo zokuphela konyaka zimatikuletsheni ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisekelo uSifiwe Gwahube uhambele isikole senza kahle kakhulu nyakenye isoshanguve East Secondary nalapho beyohlola ukuthi konke kuhamba ngonina. Ungqongqoshe uGwahube uqinisekisa abafundi kanye nothisha ukuthi umnyango wakhe uzobe uqaphe ngeso lokhozi uhlelo lwevivinyo uqinisekisa ukuthi alunazihibe.
Usuku lokuqala lokuhlolwa kukamatikuletsheni luqale kahle eSoshanguve East Secondary School enyakatho yePitoli. Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisekelo uSifiwe Gwahube uxoxisane nabafundi kanye nothisha ngaphambi kokuqala kwezivivinyo.
The papers have arrived on time. In fact, as we were leaving the hall, the invigilators were about to hand out the papers. Security is something that is fine. And the only concern that I have and that I'm receiving some updates on is some inclement weather, particularly in KZN. And so we're keeping a close eye on that.
Abafundi basemthambalala kwaJobe eJozini bathi sebekulungele ukubhala izivivinyo zokuphela konyaka. Ngonhlangulana kulesikole kwaxekeleka phansi yamagombi okufunda ngenxa yesiphepho esahlasela kule yangxenye yesifundazwe.
Siyathembisa futhi ukuthi njengoba sobhala nakufanele sizobhala kahle sikwazi ukumaintain igama lesikole sigcina silihle si-obtain 100% ono bachelor no diploma kuphela.
Sakwazi ukuqhubeka sithi ufunda nathi njengabanye abantwana ngoba abanye kwezinye indaba ilimele kakhulu kodwa thina la silinyalelwe ngoba amaklasi ethu mancane kodwa sikwazile ukuthi sikwazi ukuqhubeka nokufunda and siyabonga kakhulu.
Kusenjalo esifundazweni iFree State izivivinyo zikamatikuletsheni ziqale ngaphandle kwezihibe abafundi bemagange ukubhala abakufundile.
At the beginning of the year, our principal gave us the 5 P's, which are proper preparation, prevails, poor performance. So I know how ready I am because I started preparing from the beginning of the year.
Umbiko usihlidlamini wezindaba ze-SABC.
Abafundi bakamatikuletsheni esifundazweni iEastern Cape banethemba lokuthi bazokwenza kahle njengoba kuqale ivivinyo zokuphela konyaka namhlanje. Intatheli yeSABC uLerato Fekisi ukhulume nabafundi basesikoleni saseGqeberha.
Silapha amaqhaki high school nalapho abafundi babanga leshumi ebhale matric finals bebhala English paper 3 masive kuba kaliphepha lambe njani namhlanje libhale paper 3 wesingesi yame njani iphepha lelokuqala.
Phepha belilula kumuntu wonke ngoba kaloku silungiselela eliphepha futhi kuxesheni selula.
Xa uthenga English paper 3 uthenga ngantoni bepha ephepheni?
Kulapho apho umuntu akwazi khona ukubhala sibhala izincoko sibhala i-dialogues kunye ne-letters sibhalayo.
Sisi wena upaper 3 wena ungamrate abani from 1 to 10 ungathi uba wame njani kwaye unethemba zokuphumula kahle kweliphepha?
Upaper 3 ndingathi ndimbekela kwinqanaba leshumi kwaye xa ndimjonga belula ngakum ndiqhubeka kakuhle kwaye ukubhala kwam ndibhale ngohlobo endiziva ngalo ba ingandiphumelelisa yabo and nendlela endijonge ngayo ngakhona kweliphepha ndibhale kakuhle ndizawuphumelela kubhalo lwam.
Sisi ogxa bakho bathi bona noko liphepha belilula mbe kahle ingabona ethemba uba nina nizoqhuba kahle kwezi matric finals zakonyaka.
Sisi ndingatsho because yonke into esithe sayifunda apha phakathi enyakeni into esizakwazi ukuzikhupha kwintoni kwimviwo zethu and kwaye nezinto esizibonayo esizifundayo ngoku into ezikhoyo and ke nee-questions eziphumileyo kweli phepha thina besilibhala zizinto ezenzekayo.
Abafundi ke eMagxaki High School besithi noko iphepha lokuqala English paper 3 lihambe kahle kodwa ngoku masibele back to in studio.
Iziphathimandla zemfundo sezizwakalise ukukhathazeka ngomkhuba wabafundi abalaxaza izifundo zabo bengakafike bangeni likamatikuletsheni ngokwezibalo ezikhishiwe abakwa Stats SA bangaphezulu kwesigidi abafundi ababhaliselwa ugrade 1 ngo-2013 kodwa bango 730,000 abaqale izivivinyo zikamatric namhlanje.
Owesifazane oneminyaka engama-24 uLida Mokobi uyeke isikole emva kokuphumelela ugrade 11 ngenxa yengqinamba yokungaboni emehlweni. Uthi kwabanzima ukuthi umndeni wakhe wamukele isinqumo sakhe njengoba bebebheke ukuthi uzoqeda isikole ekwazi ukubalekelela.
Ngikinale bothata ba mahlo ke sihlole ke bona.
Kafushane uthi benginenkinga yamehlo ngingakwazi ukubona kahle esikoleni bekuthi uma ngibhala amehlo wami akhale izinyembezi zimanzise iphepha esikoleni ke bangibizela udokotela ngayeka kanjalo. Abanye abafundi bayeke isikole kwezinye izikole endaweni bathi yize sebesalele ngemuva bayafisa ukuguqula ikusasa labo.
Uyana gore ke decide gore ke kwa abete
Kafushane uthi ngivele ngaya eAbet ngoba anginaziqu noma ngibhala iCV izinga engaliqeda eliphezulu ugrade 10 kuphela.
So
ngifuna ukuthola umsebenzi ukuze ngizokwazi ukulekelela umndeni wami sakhe nekhaya.
Kusenjalo iziphathimandla zemfundo zithi umnyango kumele uqinise izinhlelo zawo ukuze abafundi bathole ukwesekwa besasemazingeni aphansi.
We must strengthen foundation phase and foundational learning and make sure we're not overemphasizing just on matric results because that will make sure if a child has good foundations of learning, they will likely finish in matric.
Abafundi abangaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingama-45 ezikhungweni ezingaphezulu kwama-400 eNorthwest bazoqala izivivinyo zabo ngephepha lesingisi lokuqala.
Unobhala jikelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula ukhuthaza abesifazana abaseyinhlakeni zeqembu ngokuthi kuzofanele baphokophelele ungena ezikhundleni eziphezulu zobuholi benhlangano. Ubekhuluma embuthwaneni ukukhunjulwa kwenye yengqalabutho engasekho umama Albertina Sisulu njengoba i-ANC ibihlanganyele nomndeni ukuyobeka izimbali ethuneni lakhe ekseni namhlanje emathuneni iCrisis.
Amalungu obuholi be-ANC nomndeni okaSisulu bahloniphe umama Albertina Sisulu ngokuyobeka izimbali ethuneni lakhe namhlanje oqondaniswe nosuku lwakhe lokuzalwa okwabe kungunyaka u1918. Umbalula ukhuthaza abesifazane be-ANC ngokuthi kuzofanele baqhubeke lapho kwagcina khona ishoshovu ezayibeka induku ebandla ezifana nomama Albertina Sisulu.
Ngenye imini omama nabo baphathe apha embuthweni anikhaphanga thina apha nize nizophatha nani bathi ke maqabane njengomama uSisulu basikhokhela bari ka Sesotho mangwana o tshwara thipa ka bohale ufasa tharika lifela.
Umbalula uphinde waveza kakhulu ukuthi njengoba i-ANC izivuselela kabusha phakathi kokunye efuna ukukhuculula ngaphakathi embuthweni inkohlakalo nokukhwabanisa.
But once you step on the wrong direction of which you are required by the law of the Republic to stand in courts and prove your innocence, the ANC says those comrades must be given an opportunity to go in the courts and clear their names if possible. So comrades, ixesha lokuthi kukwazenzele kwa ANC liphelile ke ngoku.
Okuqaphelekile kulombuthano ungabi khona kukaLindiwe Sisulu ongomunye wezingane zika mama Albertina. Nokho indodakazi yakhe ichazile kafushane izathu songabi khona kuka mama wayo.
My mom uLindiwe would have loved to have been here today. She's just not well. So we are here on her behalf.
Uhulumeni wase-Eastern Cape uthi uzokwenza konke okusemandleni ukuthungatha laba abasolwa ngokubulala abantu abahlanu eBhiki kulesa sifundazwe. Lesi sigameko senzeke ngoLwesihlanu.
Izihlobo zingene ngokungena kwikhaya lakwaSiti ibizizijwili abanye benemibuzo engekaphenduleki yokuba babulalelweni ababantu.
Ndisuke ndangqala kulandlu apho kuhle apho umkhulu wami alala khona nonkosikazi yakhe xa ndivula ndafumana into yoba sechabile umkakhe naye sechabile ndifike icango livalile ndichovile icango xa ndingena apha ndaphuma ndaya phaa eqandeni xa ndifika apha eqandeni nakhona kuvaliwe ndaphinde ndalichova xa ndifika abantwana bane kuthe ngenkangeleko xa ndijongile ndathi bachabe bonke kanti bathathwa bachabile oyi-1 akachabanga omnye umntana ubethwe apha engalweni next door nabanye abathathu abaye basinda.
Ingxaki yokubulawa kwabantu apha yinto eyenzeka yonke imihla njengoba kubulewe abantu abahlanu kule family izolo ebusuku kule veki pheleyo ifamily ezine ebhiki bezingcwaba abantu ngenxa yokudutyulwa komnye umzi ngutata kunomama komnye umzi ngutata nomama.
Urhulumente uthi amapolisa ayayilwa into yokubulawa kwabantu ephondweni.
Asizunikezela urhulumente akanawukwazi ukunikezela kwi-criminals kodwa ithethe ukuthi funeka sijije macebo mambi ukuqhawulelana nale ngxaki esikuyo. Okokuqala funeka sikhuphe izibhamu ezingekho mthethweni ehleli nabantu kuba zizo ezi ziyingozi ebantwini.
Sokubulawa kwabantu asikaziwa njengoNomzwane Lemngoma kwindaba ze-SABC eBhiki.
Sisathe qu ey'tolo kanti uMasibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthi.
Ngithanda ukubonga amagama wakho MC. Ukhulumile kahle nathi kamnandi. Hoping that ukuthi yonke into oyikhulumile izoba included.
Owengamele ezemali nokuthuthukiswa komnotho eGauteng uLebogang Mayile uvakashele izitolo zabo kufika eBoipatong naseSoweto kulandela izigameko zokushona kweingane okusolwa ukuthi zadla ukudla okunobuthi okwathengwa ezitolo zabo kufika. Sikubingelele sokwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni phambili besibika ukuthi Ungqongqoshe wemfundo esisekelo uSiviwe Gwahube uhambele isikole saseSoshanguve enyakatho yePitoli namhlanje njengoba ziqale ngokusemthethweni izivivinyo zokuphela konyaka zikaMatukuletsheni kuzwelonke. Mbukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba zikhona ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzo uyigcinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola. Inkantolo yemantshi yaseFreedomburg eWestern Cape isidlulisele enkantolo ephakeme eKapa icala labasolwa abathathu abasolwa ngokunyamalala kwentombazanyana eneminyaka eyisithupha ubudala uJocelyn Smith. Abasolwa bazovela mhla zingamashumi-30 nomuva kuMasingana wangonyaka ozayo. Ngesikhathi abasolwa abane bevele ngaphambi kwenkantolo imantshi ibe isihoxisa amacala abebhekene nomsolwa wesine wabesekhululwa. Cishe sekuphele izinyanga eziyishagalombili uSmith anyamalala emva kokuba unina wayemshiye nesoka lakhe emjondolo yaseSaldanha Bay. Ngesikhathi bevele ngaphambilini enkantolo yalalela ubufakazi kunobufakazi obusha obungasipholele ekutheni kutholakala umnyombo wokunyamalala kwaSmith.
Not right, because I have this morning a dream about Kelly and Jocelyn, and that's why I'm so not right this morning.
What was the dream about?
Jocelyn, Kelly asked people, that guy, what did he did with Jocelyn? And that guy tell Kelly, you know much what I did with Jocelyn, because that guy who see me as was Jocelyn in one grave. That's why I'm so upset.
Do you think she's still...
Uyaqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi uBrigadier Bongane Gininda ecaleni lokubulawa kukaNozinto weOrlando Pirates uSenzo Meyiwa nalapho echaza kabanzi ngezithombe ezathathwa ngosuku okwadutshulwa kwabulawa ngalo uMeyiwa.
U-Advocate George Baloyi uqale watshela inkantolo ukuthi umazisi womsolwa wokuqala uMoses Sibiya ukuthi ubuyiselwe kuye ukuze izingane zakhe zikwazi ukufaka izicelo zezinhlala kahle kanye nezicelo zeNSFAS njengoba becela ummeli wakhe uAdvocate Mngomezulu.
It is being released on the sole condition of allowing his children to access social services and to apply for NSFAS funding and not for any other purpose, my lord.
uBrigadier Gininda echaza ngezithombe eziphambi kwenkantolo uthe ubona umsolwa wesithathu egqoke impahla ayezigqokile.
What I see, my lord, is accused number 3 wearing the same clothes of the photo that I referred to, the khaki top, the same trouser that he was wearing. I think the black shoes also are still reflecting.
ucele ukuba aphenduleke ngesithombe sokuqala nathi sikhombisa indawo yesigameko.
So photo number 1, my lord, on the left hand side is the crime scene. This was taken back in 2014. So photo number 2 also relates to the crime scene, my lord, and that is the photos that were taken back in 2014 with the vehicle that was belonging to the deceased, Mr. Senzo Mayiwa.
Icala liyaqhubeka.
Njengamanje IFP ibambe isithangami mayelana nokusebenza kwahulumeni wobumbano. Ake sisixoshe bukhoma.
And there is still much work to be done to address deep-rooted challenges within COGTA in our municipalities, as well as the traditional and cohesion leadership. The IFP is also entrusted with another ministry, the Public Service and Administration. Our Deputy President, Honorable Inkosi Mzamo Buthelezi, now holds the position of Minister for Public Service and Administration. In the past 100 days, the Department of Public Service and Administration signed a Memorandum of Understanding, the MOU, with the Chandler Institute of Governance. This memorandum establishes a framework for collaboration between the DPSA and the Singapore-based institute, which emphasizes areas such as knowledge exchange and capacity building in public administration. Minister Buthelezi conducted an unannounced oversight visit to the Philip Moyo Community Health Center to assess compliance with the Batupile principles and service delivery standard. Such unannounced visits play a crucial role in promoting accountability, increasing citizen engagement, shaping policy, and ultimately enhancing the quality of services provided to the public. September was a public service month launched under the theme, a government that...
Lesi sithangami sabeyindaba ningasithola ku YouTube babukeli. Owengamele ezemali nokuthuthukiswa komnotho eGauteng uLebogang Mayile uvakashele izitolo zabo kufika eBoypatong naseSoweto kulandela izigameko zokushona kweingane okusolwa ukuthi zadla ukudla okunobuthi ubuthi okwathengwa ezitolo zabo kufika.
Njengoba nje owengamele ezemali nokuthuthukiswa komnotho esifundazweni eGauteng uLebogang Mayile enqume ukuhambela indawo okubalwa kuzo iBoypatong eseVali kanye neSoweto namhlanje ukhulume nezakhamuzi ngezinto ezingenziwe ekusizeni zona. Kafushane uthi ingoba sibaphoqa ukuba bevula amabhizinisi, ingani uphoqa umuntu ukuba avule ibhizinisi? Ingoba yikho imisebenzi. Umuntu uvele abona ukuthi akunamsebenzi, ithi ngivele ngiyobhalisela inkampani. Akavula inkampani ngoba efuna ukusiza abantu, kodwa uvula inkampani ngoba efuna ukuphila. Mayile uthembise izakhamuzi ukuthi yena ngasifaka kuphi isandla njengoba inhloso yakhe kungukuqinisekisa ukuthi uyathuthukisa umnotho esifundazweni. Izakhamuzi zibonge izethembiso zakhe uMayile zabe sezithi engathi zingafezeka.
Ngithanda ukubonga amagama wakho MEC. Ukhulumile kahle nathi kamnandi, hoping that ukuthi yonke into oyikhulumile izoba implemented.
Inhloso yokuhambela lezi indawo kaMayile ukuhlola zona njengoba ithintekile odabeni lwendawo eyinetolo eyithengisa ukudla okunobuthi nokuyizitolo ezenganyelwa abokufika. Silindo kuhle ngidi eindabeni zeSABC.
Umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela. Ale mina siyabuya futhi ngehora lesikhombisa sihlwa. Umusa wenkosi ube nani nonke.